Maserati wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the Maserati with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheels education, cosmetic changes, and more. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality half-century wheel spacers. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS half-century wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. As long as you choose the right half-century spacers, there will be no problem. BONOSS Forge FT cooling Maserati wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Maserati wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. The main function of using Maserati wheel spacers is to provide additional clearance between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly. It will ensure the wheel can be properly mounted and accurately balanced. Maserati half-century wheel spacers solve the problem that the wheel lock holes of half-century wheel spacers may cause wear and shake. The multi-stage half-century designed by BONOSS will effectively help the Maserati wheel spacers to match the wheel hub assembly, which is the majority of the Maserati wheel spacers on the market, designed to form a contact surface with the hub assembly, helping the wheels to bear the weight from the car.